To reveal hidden content when a user clicks a certain button or element, you can use the Offcanvas content widget. This widget is part of the premium version of the A-Teams add-ons for Elementor plugin. We're going to start by searching for the widget here, and we're going to click this toggle in order to activate it. Now we're going to create a new page or go to the Elementor page where we want to add the widget. We're going to search for it here and drag it onto our page. Let's have a quick look at some of the options. First of all, we have the content type here, which can be custom, a template, or a sidebar. For this quick tutorial, I'm going to select template here, and I'm going to choose my template. I already created a template previously, so I'm going to select it. Now, we're going to move on to the settings, and this is where we configure our trigger for the Offcanvas content widget. By default, the trigger is dynamic tag, and this works if you have also activated our dynamic tags extension. This is also part of the premium version of A-Teams add-ons. So let's keep this for now, and this is how it works. I'm going to simply add a new section here and add a button. It can be any element, but I'm going to show you a button for now. I'm going to go to the link, click on dynamic tags here, find A-Teams add-ons actions, and click on Offcanvas trigger. Now I'm going to go to the settings, and I have to put the Offcanvas name here. So let's go back to our Offcanvas widget, copy the name, go back here, back to the settings, paste it here. Let's quickly move to the front end to see this widget in action. Okay, so I'm going to click the button, and here is my content. Now going back, let's go to the widget. If I don't want to use a dynamic tag as a trigger, I can simply select a class, for example, add my class here, and I'm going to go back to my button. Let's also change the direction, maybe like this, so it shows up from the left hand side. I'm going to go back to my button, disable the dynamic tag here. I'm going to go to advanced, CSS classes, paste my class, publish my changes. Let's go back to the front end now, and we're going to click the button again. And here it is, coming in from the left hand side. So basically, there's no limit here. You can add any element and make it trigger your Offcanvas content. It can be an image, it can be anything you can think. If you can add a dynamic tag to it, or a class, or an ID, you can use it as a trigger. Moving on, we have a few styling options, but basically these are useful only if you use the custom content type option, because it lets you style the title, the content, the background. If you're going to use the template, for example, you're just going to style your content directly inside the template. That's it. Thank you for watching.